All right, guys, got 2 pistons pulled out before I start a video on. Pull the rest of the pistons out and clean the block up. And phone died and I didn't know it, so piston jerked out of it, front cover off. All left is pull the rod caps or the main caps off, pull the crank out. Haven't decided yet if I'm gonna get the block decked or not. I might. It looks pretty good to me. I want to have my uncle look at it and see what he says. Heads getting decked and O-ringed. Going back with ARP 2000s with that. Probably gonna, I haven't ordered main studs yet, but I got upgraded rod bolts. The only thing I didn't order, I got everything for the bottom end. Piston cooling nozzles, rod bolts, H series bearings for the rods and mains from Molly. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that's everything I need for the bottom end. Oh, the new rings. Got some Molly ceramic coated rings. The Performance Series or whatever they had. I think I'm going to stick with stock pistons unless when I go get my head checked, it's cracked. And if it is, I'm going to go 24 valve pistons and a 24 valve head. So yeah, guys, let me know what you want to see on this thing. Thanks for watching.